Welcome everyone to another video. I am SHADAT from SHADAT'S DAYOUT. Today I got new software update my Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus. This is not a Android 10 update. This is a simple camera update and security update. So let's see what's new. The stability of camera has been improved. The security of your device. Finally I done the update. After this update, camera has been very improved and you can see the sample. Okay, this is about for this new update. I hope Samsung give Android 10 as soon as possible and see you next time. Allah Hafiz.